Hi, my name is David Ramirez Ruiz and I'm the responsible of the Languages Center here at UVP. Today we are going to do a little review of a topic, the simple past of the regular verbs. So, to start with, we are going to go to some slides. Today's topic is the simple past of regular verbs. To start today's class, first we have to know the uses of the simple past. This tense is used to talk about actions that happened once or repeatedly in the past, and also to talk about facts in the past. When we talk about regular verbs, they share an ending for the simple past. This ending is the ed ending. For example, work, worked. Be careful not to pronounce the ed at the end of the word like in Spanish. For this tense in affirmative, the structure is the following one: subject plus verb in past form plus complement. Now, even if they are regular, that doesn't mean that they are the same. There are some exceptions. When a verb originally finishes with an e, you don't add another e and then the d. You just add a d at the end. For example, like, liked. When a verb finishes with a consonant and a y, you change the y for an I and add the ed. For example, study, studied. Here we have some examples. I worked too much last week. We walked our dog this morning. He studied all night long. Now, when we want to do a sentence in the negative form, we use the following structure: subject plus auxiliary, did not or didn't, plus verb in base form, plus the complement. Let's see some examples. I did not or didn't work too much last week. We did not or didn't walk our dog this morning. They did not or didn't have so much work to do. If you notice, in these cases we don't use the ed ending in our verbs because the past is represented in the auxiliary did not or didn't in its contracted form. To ask questions in simple past, what we need to do is to use the auxiliary did at the beginning of the sentences and follow the next structure. Did plus subject plus verb in base form plus complement. Also, when you ask a question, you don't need to put the ed ending in your verbs, and don't forget to add the question mark. Let's go with examples. Did you work too much last week? Did we walk our dog this morning? Did they have so much work to do? Now, let's see how much you learned during this class with a Kahoot exercise. Let's go. Okay guys, so we entered to kahoot.it and we are going to use the code 1109478. And if we see here, we have Fer, we have Carlos, we have Gabo, and we have Lupita. So we are going to start with them four, and I'm going to start the exercise. Okay, so be careful with the questions because they are about this topic. It says simple past regular verbs. Okay, guys, be ready. We have I, my dog, yesterday. So you have to choose the option that you consider that is correct. So we have walked for the first one. Let's go with we have 4 correct. And at the scoreboard we have Gabo at the top. Then we have Lupita, Carlos, and Fer. Let's go with the next one, guys. We have he late to class. Remember, we are practicing the simple past of the regular verbs. Okay, arrived. Correct, guys, correct. Let's go with the number 3. We have a movement here. We have Carlos going on second place. Okay, let's go. The next question is, we video games last weekend. We have 4 options, guys. Remember to choose the one that you consider correct. Ooh, okay, we have 3 correct and 1 incorrect. Let's see the scoreboard. We have Carlos has the highest answer streak of 3. So let's go, Carlos. You can win this, okay? Let's go with the next one. We have I went Mufasa. We have 2 spaces here. Remember, 2 verbs in regular form. Simple past. Okay, we have 3 correct and 1 incorrect. On the scoreboard, we have Gabo, Carlos, Lupita, and Fer. Let's go, Fer. You can do this. Okay, let's go with the next one. For the test, in this case, it's a question, guys, so be careful. Remember that the questions are different from the affirmative sentences, please. Okay, 4 correct. Let's go, guys. No movement on the scoreboard at the moment. Number 6 of 9. Where when you were a child? Okay, 4 correct. Very good, guys. The next one. We have Gabo, Carlos, Lupita, and Fer. Okay, no movement at the moment. Number 7. What type of music? 2. Okay, 3 correct, 1 incorrect. The answer here was, did you listen? Okay, let's go with the number 8. The number 8 says, they to the teacher. In this case, is a negative sentence. Okay, 3 and 1. And let's go with the scoreboard to see. We have Gabo, Carlos, Lupita, and Fer. This is the last chance, guys. This is the last question, okay? Then, number 9. It last week. Okay, 4 correct. Very good, guys. So, the podium. We have Lupita with the 3rd place. We have Carlos with the 2nd place. And we have Gabo with the 1st place. Very good, guys. Thank you for participating in this activity, guys. And also congratulations to the first 3 places, Gabo, Carlos, and Lupita. Very good, guys. And with this activity, we will finish this workshop. We hope you liked it because we prepared it for you during this event called Metrópoli. Remember that you can be in touch with us through our social media and our official website. Thank you for coming, guys. See you!